Hey guys, so today we're going to continue building my custom Maverick camper shell. What I'm going to work on today is I'm going to make a door, and I'm trying to maximize what little space I have and not have a tiny door. So I want to make a door the shape of this thing right here. So it's a bit of an odd shaped door, but it's going to open this way to kind of give me room to just get in. I don't want it to open this way because I don't want to be restricted by the door itself. I want it to swing completely. But what I got is this RV door latch thing. Look at it. So it's a nice, it's a real RV door latch that I want to use and put right here. It's very sturdy, and it's by the same company as these guys, these kohree. And what I'm going to do with this guy later is I'm going to use this RV seal tape to seal all the edges to go around when I do some waterproofing. But it's the same company. They make some various RV stuff that might be useful if you're doing a custom build. But anyways, today I'm going to work on the door, and I'm going to use this door hinge, or this door handle, not hinge, and I'll leave a link in the description for it for you. Alright, so this door handle thing does come with keys, so it will provide good security, and it's not too different than a regular door handle. It has the same mechanism, and it's got that thing right there. I don't know what those are called. And this is the inside, so you could lock and get yourself out. So I'm gonna do a frame. I'm only gonna do the door frame. I'm not gonna do the front of the door or anything like that. Just like the camper itself. I'm not doing any of the outside yet because I'm still on the fence as to what I want to do on the outside, because I want something as lightweight as possible. So again, and it's got to be waterproof, and if it's wood, I have to have a way to seal it and make it waterproof. So here's the edge of that frame that I want to do from this side, and if you look at the latch, you'll see that I need to cut out a notch for it. So it's not going to just slide in willy-nilly, so I need to have a notch for this thing to slide in and to fit in place. All right, so I cut out that notch, and this is going to fit right in there. Fits right there, and it slides into that sliver like that. Okay, so now I could build around this frame right here. Of course, I want things real nice and square, so I'm using these brackets to hold it square. Glue it in, and then I'm going to screw it in. Alright, now I'll do the same to the bottom side. Alright, that's the way it's going to look. Let's see how it looks on the car. Alright, looks good. So now I'm going to finish the frame. Alright, so next up will be this part right here, and I got these corner holders. If you never use one of these corner bracket holders, they're awesome. I highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description for them for you. So this is how the door frame is looking right now. It's gonna open and close like this. It's not screwed in, so there's no hinge yet, so it's kind of leaning against things. But that's the way it looks. So I'm gonna put in some hinges, and then we'll swing the door. So for the hinge, I'm using this piano hinge type thing. It's stainless steel. Alright, that's the way the door is going to swing. Climb in. Climb out. Alright, so next I'm going to get this latch in there, so I'm going to build a little frame around the latch. Alright, so I got this little frame in, and I'm going to install it, drill a hole for this guy right there. Alright, lock, unlock. Alright, let's get the little door jamb thing in. So you can see next up, I need to drill a hole so that can catch onto something. Take a closer look at this latch. It goes like that. Lock, unlock. I think it's pretty nice. Alright, see if that's good enough. Looks like it is. Okay, let's give it a shot. Hey. It's a little bit of play, but it's alright. So I'm going to put the backing so that it stops, of course, so that there is no play. But that comes later. All right, so this doorknob comes with 4 keys. And here's the lock. You can see it going in and out. There's the lock. Nothing. Unlock. That's cool. Let's see what this one. Does this just lock the handle? Oh, okay. So this down here locks the handle, and this is a deadbolt. Unlock the handle, but then it still has the deadbolt. Unlock that. There we go. So I'm done with the frame for now. Later on, I'm going to have a little backstop right here for the door so it holds in place so it doesn't swing inward, of course. But that I'm going to do when I decide what I want to do for the facade on the outside. So for now, this door frame's done.